Let's talk about managing your trade exits, because locking in profits is just as important as getting into the trade. This tool gives you complete flexibility. You can use anywhere from 1 up to 5 profit targets. Watch this. Here's a simple trade with 1 target. Draw the stop, entry, 1 target. Now let's do 3 targets. Stop, entry, and 3 different profit levels for scaling out. And here's 5 targets. Stop, entry, and 5 different exit points. But here's where it gets really powerful. You control exactly how much of your position to close at each target. Let me open the properties on this 3-target drawing. Right now, it's set to scale out evenly, but I want to customize it. First target, I'll close 20% of my position. Second target, 50%. And the last target, 30%. Just make sure the percentages add up to 100. Now, here's another time saver. Automatic target placement based on your reward to risk ratio. I'm going to set the first target at 1R, the second at 2R, and the third at 3R. The tool will calculate the exact prices for me. So let me save this as my default template so I can use these settings on every trade. Now watch what happens when I draw a new 3-target position tool. I click for my stop, and as I move my mouse to set the entry point, look at that. The targets are automatically drawn at my predefined R values. 1R, 2R, 3R. No manual placement needed. Same stop to entry distance, but the tool automatically calculates where my profit targets should be based on my risk-reward settings. Scale out your way with complete control over your exits. Look, locking in gains shouldn't be a manual struggle while the market is moving. This tool handles the execution, so you can stick to your plan without the stress. If you want to see how this fits into your own workflow, check the link in the description to grab the tool. And hey, hit that subscribe button because in the next video, we're taking it a step further. I'll show you how to use automated break-even and trailing stop settings to protect your gains on autopilot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.